Welcome to my YouTube channel Softworldlink. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how to design banners and ribbons in Adobe Illustrator. Select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Press the Alt key and drag with the mouse to duplicate the object. Reduce its size. Select the pen tool and draw a shape. Select all the shapes and group them. Go to the Effects menu and then Warp and then click Arc. Adjust the bend as per your requirement. In the same way, you can design any kind of banner you want to design. Click on the Recolor Artboard. Click on Edit. Click on the link Color. You can change the color of all the ribbons. Hope the tutorial will be helpful for you guys. Subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. Thanks for watching the video.